HoloLens is an augmented reality tool that allows us to interact with hologram with various hand gesture and gazes. You know, with HoloLens you can see every part of the hologram all at the same time. You can take it, moving it around, you can bring in and out, and exactly helping you to understand the part of a structure. At Twistcode, we would like to assist the energy industry in designing gas turbines in a way that allow greater interaction with team members. The result of this would be a greater design and learning experience for team members. Here we see a single shaft gas turbine model being analyzed by engineers. They can choose to break down the turbine into its constituent component via hand gesture. Using our pre-programmed gas turbine model, the engineer can study relationship between the components as it varies with time. We also allow engineers to study fault diagram in gas turbine bearings. This will assist engineers to perform real-time predictive maintenance in their plants. And yes, for us, this is our job to make the world a better place.